Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about the sound with the big letter and the small letter. Repeat. Good job. Are you ready for the song? Okay, 1, 2, 3. My friends and I went to the beach with a floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Very good. Good job. Alright, so remember, this letter makes the sound. Are you ready for some words? Okay, word number 1. Do you remember what this is? Good, it's a frog. So, first sound, second sound, rrr. Third sound, oh. And fourth sound, g. R, o, g. R, o, g. Frog. Good job. Okay, now it's time for the second word. Do you remember what this is? Look at the boy and girl. Good. It's fog. So, first sound, second sound, oh, and third sound, g, oh, g, oh, g, fog. Excellent. Okay, and time for our third and last word. Do you remember what this is? Good, it's a flag. Okay, first sound, second sound, l, third sound, a, and fourth sound, g, l, a, g, l, a, g, flag. Excellent. Good job.